Alright everybody, back at the Lady Lake house. Me, Rusty, Michael, Youthman Stevens, Mike F. We're all going to Helen. The Wabas will come up next week. Jeff from JTR is going to stop by. But I'm going to bring you along this week. I do want to mention right now, you can shoot me an email or Manny@obsessedgarage.com an email if you need some help. But right now I'm going to run a 2025 promotion, or if you wanted to grab one of the weeks left over here in December, $5,000 all in for access to the Helen house. So just give me a shout. So I'll pay the taxes, the cleaning cost, all that stuff. I mean, this is like a $15,000, $18,000, $20,000 a week level house. But if you want to come up, experience a week, you come in Thursday, check out Wednesday. So I'm doing that same thing. I want to share with you all the different things you can do. This trip I plan on doing, we're going to do some ATV riding, mountain biking. We're going to check out a new restaurant, and we're going to build the next level of home theater at Destination OG. So I'm going to bring you along for the ride every day, vlog every day, and come up with some neat videos for you. But I'd really appreciate if you'd book that place so I can keep it. Please hit us up and book a week next year. $5,000. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. So we're going to jump in the truck. We got Rusty's truck here with his with all the ATVs, all the JTR speakers and stuff. It's going to be a really fun week. For all you truck nerds, Rusty has is it F-250? I think his is not diesel. I think it's gas. So was that a 3/4 ton or half ton? I don't know. You truck nerds will know. So in here we have ATVs, dirt bikes, side by side, all the crap. Bunch of insane speakers. So we've got a full 7.4.2 home theater setup. So we're gonna load up and head out. It's about 9 hours up to Helen, so it's a long haul. It's kind of tricky from Central Florida because flying and driving takes almost the exact same amount of time. So if we fly up there, it's like you got an hour and a half. So you got 3 hours to go to Orlando Airport or to go to Sanford Airport, and then you've got a 2-hour drive or hour and 45-minute drive from Atlanta, or a 2-hour drive from Greenville. So it really doesn't matter how you get there. It takes some time to get there. So those of you that are in Atlanta, Raleigh, DC, Cincinnati, it's a great, much easier trip for you to get there than it is for us. But once we get there, it's worth every minute of the trip up. We got all geared up here. These speakers strapped down. The speakers underneath. They got all kinds of crap. Actually, I should put my stuff in there. I was wrong. It is diesel. What we got?
Have everything loaded.
I got everything.
Michael?
He's got everything. You're the one with all the stuff.
We got a lot of crap.
Yeah.
Michael dropped off. I thought it was like 2 boxes. And he drops off like this, like another pallet worth of stuff that we crammed in last night.
So what we'll have to do, we'll probably have to unload the JTR into the back of the truck. I didn't even think about that.
Well, what I was hoping is we could unload it into Mike's trailer and then take Mike's trailer.
Oh yeah, that's what we could do. Yeah.
Because it's going to be, I don't think, it won't all fit in the back of this truck.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, it's only like 1.5 miles
yeah.
to the thing. But yeah, that's a good idea. We can just go dump the trailer direct, and then we can come back and get the stuff.
Yeah.
So, but I'm sure the first night we'll be wanting to mess with some JTR crap.
Oh yeah. And Accura's. So we got all the Accura's amplifiers and the processor. And the calibration kit is like
a giant case.
It's huge.
What I should let you know, we also have an Accura's, which I may keep here. Full Accura's, what do you call it? Accura's preamp and amplifiers and all that stuff. It's gonna be freaking sweet. So the system's gonna be insane. It won't be completed because I'm gonna need to get some sort of stand, but Manny's going up next week, so once I figure out what I want it to look like, then I can order all that stuff. All right, we made it about halfway. These two little sissies need to get some food.
I get hangry, man.
He gets hungry, yeah.
Whatever, man. Just want to make sure the speakers are intact.
They're not going anywhere.
You got a bunch of stuff.
Gonna go catch an Orange Theory workout before we eat.
Heck yeah.
Do some hot yoga.
Let's see how you does.
All right, everybody. I'm sorry to say, but Chipotle's dead to me.
Oh no.
I'm done with it. This is my last Chipotle ever. It's just I've become such a snob, and I'm like grossed out by the whole thing. The cold guac got me today. Part of it is we have the worst Chipotle in America in Lady Lake. It's the worst. Sorry, the newest, but the worst. It's terrible. And I ate it for like 2 months straight. Like 1 to 2 times a day. And I just ruined it for myself. The only thing I got left is Ruth's Chris. And I don't mind Chick-fil-A. I'm on my own, people.
Running out of options.
On my own. Running out of options fast. All right, so we made it. So when you come to Helen, this is about, there's Yona Mountain. This is CRW storage. And so you put the last 4 digits of my phone number in, and we own slip number 13. So if you did want to trailer your cars, like in our case, we trailered all the ATV stuff. You don't want to take it into the neighborhood, you just bring it here. I pay for this, you don't have to pay anything for it. We give you the code for it and all your itinerary. You just come drop your stuff off, unhitch the truck, and then head up. You could, unload your cars, take the cars up to the house, kind of figure out how you want to do it. But this is a really, I think, a huge perk.
Mensch, MENSCH.
You gotta check in here.
MENSCH.
We got 2 douche vlog on vlog.
Just like the Matrix right here.
It's 38 degrees. Or vlog on vlog, douche on douche here. So my house is painted. I've forgotten about this. I think I was here recently. It was the paint was done. So we got to go play with the racing sim, and we left all the speakers and stuff back there. We'll come back and get those tonight or tomorrow. But man, I've forgotten how much I love this place. I actually thought about selling it earlier this year. Just a short little thought. But yeah, it's so good. I'll give you an updated tour as we run through it. Mike's here, so, and then we're gonna look at buying this house. I've got to buy this thing this week. Whole place is looking great. Outdoor kitchen's looking great. Indoor kitchen's looking great. I gotta dial in the 778 because it blew up last time I was here. I guess got hit by lightning or something. So get this system operational. We just messed around with the Dine Audio Theater. We're gonna go get some food, get some groceries, and then come back and maybe we'll stop and grab some of the stuff out of the trailer on the way back. Grab a load of stuff. But yeah, man, I love this place. All our plaques are in place. I'm telling you, you guys want to come here. It's hard to explain. It doesn't look the same on camera and photos as it does when all the feedback, everybody I get that comes here. It's so good. It's so good. That's even without the darn garage and the roads around here. So you want to get signed up. Help me keep this place, for gosh sakes, please. I don't want to have to lose it someday. So please, book a week and help me keep this place moving forward. What were you saying, Rusty? Does it feel different? You've been here once before. You actually, before we were partners. You were more just customer, came and bought.
I booked it when you
did
the very first when you bought it.
Yeah.
I didn't come for about a year and a half.
Yeah.
No, it's even better now.
Yeah, it's so good.
I like the scent.
The Matt Mormon signature scent.
Signature scent.
We got to go up in the racing sim, get that thing up and rolling. That thing's fun.
I haven't used that yet. I'm looking forward to it.
I'm telling you, I was feeling, this is what happens every time I come here. I'm feeling tough and ready to eat properly and how, get all dialed in, and now I'm already thinking I'm freaking starving. I want to go buy some junk food. This place makes me want to eat junk food.
Well, my last bike, I only bought
Back
like
home.
22.
No picking fights in here, Mike. No fighting with the Starbucks people. Mike got in fights with the Starbucks people. It was not good. It was all seen. And Eagles get some water gas over there. Water gas on the cheap. I'm gonna stay under control.
You gonna eat?
I'm gonna get some eggs.
And lots of
I already have steak.
cinnamon rolls.
No cinnamon rolls. No enriched white flour. No snacks. Maybe. Gosh. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right, I'm staying on the meat, cheese, eggs. Getting a little bit of cheese, primarily butter. Get a little bit of bacon. Staying on track. This is the cheapest one I've ever been here. It was like 200 something bucks. It's even after inflation. So I got a bunch of eggs, a bunch of Mountain Valley. So I'll be set for the week. I brought some Snake River Farm steaks. So that's probably why it was less money, because I brought the meat with me. And I haven't experienced this kind of cold in a long time. What is the temperature here? It's freaking freezing out here. 32. It's going down to 27. I can't tell you the last time I experienced 20 degrees. It's probably last year when I was up here. I'm gonna try to mountain bike and work out, but we'll see how it goes. I'm certainly gonna be able to cold plunge in the pool. That's gonna be nuts. How was your Ingalls experience?
It was delightful. I think I bought enough food for like 2 weeks.
Okay.
Oh my.
Michael's like a teenager. He's a 48-year-old teenager. How did he raise 4 children? I thought he would have been one teaching us something. He didn't know what he's buying.
Celery, bottled water, salad, and cup steaks.
Yeah. And bacon.
And bacon.
And
Well, we'll be
maybe
going
some
out to
eggs.
eat and stuff too.
Oh crap! I didn't even think of that.
This is the deal. You go, you get your food, you get it put away, get it organized. I go and fix it after everybody's done.
Whatever, dude. I got my stuff dialed in. Look, the top shelf. Clean.
I'll fix it, don't worry.
What?
We'll reorganize it when everybody's done screwing it up. I'm gonna heat up the old alfresco. Got me some mozzarella here, Mike.
Oh yeah, those look good.
Yeah. My problem is I always end up eating the whole container all at
At
once.
least you didn't get any lemon covered all.
I didn't. I almost did. I was like like holding it up to my mouth. And I put it back.
Matt, you want to keep these or no?
No.
I don't know. Some people do.
No.
I wonder how much gas we qualify for. We lose
You lose it every month.
Oh.
Otherwise, I'd have qualified for.
Oh, fuel points earned 187 today.
There you go.
Yeah. Cooking me up a Snake River Farm steak out here, even though it's 28 degrees out here. Cooking up a nice little steak here. Oh yeah, I forgot I gotta turn the light on. Nice. I'm trying hardcore carnivore red. And I brought me a meat thermometer for here. So I can cook this up. But look how beautiful it is out here. Amazing. It's been a long time since I cooked on a grill. It's just cold. So I should have let it heat up longer. So I think we'll probably go down, maybe watch a movie tonight. Prep ourselves for the movie experience coming up. My Speed Queens. It's so good. Actually, I'm gonna go up and let's go get the racing sim all dialed in. I'm gonna see if I can get that thing up and running. All right, so the sim is working, the motion's working, the wheel's working, game's working, the sound is not, and we can't exit the game. So just trying to figure that out. Chandler will log in for us and get that all dialed in. Crew chief is working, so he's kind of cruising around on Sebring.
I'm not.
Simple setting, all fixed now. All right, everybody, that's a wrap on day one. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna vlog a whole week, so we're gonna have 7 days of vlogs. Videos on the JTR install, mountain biking, dirt biking, restaurant touring, all the stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna cut my hair tomorrow as well. I'm gonna we'll see about working out. I do need to go do some working out though, so maybe I'm going to get up early. I don't know. We'll see. I'll keep you up to date. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for those of you thinking of coming here. Racing Sim's all dialed in. I got all the buttons all reset up. It's freaking sweet, this whole place. This gives me the warm and fuzzies. It reminds me how fortunate I am in this world. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.